I stopped you for speeding. Can I see your driver's license?
Sir, I'm sorry for all the trouble I have caused.
Officer? Hello?
Kate.
River? I thought you were done with me.
You're...
Here? Yes. Oh, honey. Look at yourself. You're a mess. You can't do anything without me. You can eat once you clean up. Do you remember the first time you told me that you loved me? We were sitting on the hill watching the sunset, where I first told you that I liked you. We liked that spot. And you told me that you'd never said I love you to anyone before, but when you said it, it came out so naturally.
And you didn't believe me.
I couldn't believe you said it first. I told you that love is respect and devotion and trust. So I asked you, River, do you respect me? And you said yes. River, are you devoted to me? Yes. River, do you trust me? Do you remember what you said?
Yes.
Always.
What about last weekend?
What?
I saw you. And Tyler.
Every time I told you I loved you, I meant it. There is no Tyler, there's only
I
you.
know what I saw, Kate.
No, you don't.
I'm not crazy.
Yes, you are.
Oh my god. No.
Come back to me.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
You haven't. You're nothing without me. Don't leave me. River? River?
Sir, you all right?
Yeah,
I just broke up with. I ended a relationship.
You're good to go. I'm gonna give you a warning.
What?
I'm gonna give you a warning.